From the latest on the investigation into the alleged cash recovery from a Delhi High Court judge's house to the BJP selecting its new chief for its Kerala unit, let's take a look at the stories that are making headlines today. Chief Justice of India Sanjiv Khanna has constituted a committee to conduct an inquiry into allegations of huge amount of cash found in Delhi High Court Judge Justice Yashwant Varma's official residence during a blaze on the night of March 14th. Punjab and Haryana High Court Chief Justice Sheel Nagu, Himachal Pradesh Chief Justice G.S. Sandvalia, and Karnataka High Court Judge Justice Anu Sivaraman are part of this committee. The move comes within a day of Delhi Chief Justice D.K. Upadhyay submitting a prima facie report ascertaining the veracity of the allegations. In his report, Justice Upadhyay said that the entire matter warrants a deeper probe. In his response, Justice Varma said that the allegations of cash recovery at his residence appeared to be a conspiracy to frame and malign him. He said a fire broke out in the storeroom situated near the staff quarters of his official residence on the intervening night of March 14 and 15, 2025. He said this room was generally utilized by all to store articles as well as CPW material. He noted that he was travelling in Madhya Pradesh along with his wife when the fire broke out and that he returned to Delhi on the evening of March 15. What's next for Justice Varma? CJI Sanjiv Khanna would now be monitoring the progress of the inquiry. He has also asked Chief Justice Upadhyay to not assign any judicial work to Justice Varma. Chief Justice Upadhyay has agreed with the proposal of the CJI. Security forces have recovered a cache of firearms and explosives from two Maoist hideouts in Chhattisgarh Sukma district, police said. The official said the CRPF, its elite Cobra Commando Battalion of Resolute Action Unit, and district forces were involved in these actions. The official said they recovered 6 single-barrel muzzle-loading rifles, 2 12-bore rifles, a country-made rifle, 20 live shells of barrel grenade launcher, 12 detonators and other equipment, a Maoist uniform and several other items. The materials were hidden in forests as a part of Maoist plan to launch attacks on security forces during patrolling in the areas, he added. Rajya Sabha MP Kapil Sibal pitched for a formal structure for the India Bloc Opposition Alliance, saying the alliance needed to have a cohesive policy, ideological framework and a program for the future. Sibal was confident about the opposition's future but noted that the political form it takes will be decided by the members. Let's listen to what he said.
I think it should appear to be a bloc and not unblock itself in the manner that it does in the public domain. They need to have a cohesive policy, a cohesive ideological framework, a cohesive program for the future. And I'm not talking about at the state level or the national level. There has to be cohesiveness in the way in which it thinks on issues that are of great national importance. And unless that mechanism is put in place and unless there are spokespersons of the bloc who represent the views of the India bloc, I don't think that this can move forward very effectively. I've been saying this for a long time. Obviously, either it is not something that is palatable to somebody or the other, or they feel that this is not the appropriate time, but I can't possibly talk on behalf of the bloc. See, I see a future for the opposition. What form it takes, what structure it takes, we'll see.
Former Union Minister and entrepreneur turned politician Rajeev Chandrasekhar is likely to be the next president of the BJP's Kerala unit. He is stated to take over the party's reins from incumbent K. Surendran, who has led it since 2020. Prahlad Joshi, the BJP Central Observer, and Prakash Javadekar, the party's Kerala in charge, announced Chandrasekhar's name at the core committee meeting. He put up a strong performance in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections in the Thiruvananthapuram constituency. Until then, Chandrasekhar was based in Karnataka, a state he represented in the Rajya Sabha for 3 terms. He then shifted his base to Kerala to mount a challenging election campaign. The appointment comes at a crucial time for the party as it seeks to mobilize its election machinery to fight the local body polls and the assembly elections in 2026. India has imposed anti-dumping duty on 4 Chinese goods, including vacuum flasks and aluminium foil. During the month so far, 2 guard domestic players from cheap imports from the neighboring country. These duties were imposed as these products, soft fried cores, certain thickness of vacuum insulated flask, aluminium foil, and trichloroisocyanuric acid were exported to India from China at below normal prices. These duties were imposed after recommendations for the same were made by the Commerce Ministry's investigation arm DGTR.